Loren Bravarnik got emotional while giving 90 Day Fiancé viewers an update about her sons. Loren and her husband, Alexei Bravarnik, were first featured on 90 Day Fiancé Season 3 in 2015. The couple welcomed their first baby boy, Shai Joseph Bravarnik, in April 2020. At the time, Loren revealed that Shai arrived 1 month earlier than expected. Overall, that was a tough time for Loren because there were complications during her delivery. She was on a magnesium drip, and baby Shai was in the NICU. Since it was the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, the 90 Day Fiancé couple's families couldn't join them in the hospital. However, Shai soon recovered and came home with his parents. He is now 15 months old and looks happy and healthy in his social media pictures. On August 16, 2021, the couple welcomed their second son, who is nicknamed Babybutton. Loren and Alexei are super excited to welcome the new addition to their family. However, Loren is stressed because Babybutton is still in the NICU. While Loren's son was recovering in the ICU, she had to come back home. While updating 90 Day Fiancé fans, Loren said that it is a very weird feeling. Loren Bravarnik went on to meet her baby boy in the NICU and revealed that he is doing well. Loren took a social media break last weekend, and she is now giving another update to fans who have been praying for Babybutton's well-being. The TLC star broke into tears while thanking all of her fans for sending her supportive messages. She told fans that Babybutton is stable and doing great, and Loren and Alexei can't wait to bring him home. The former 90 Day Fiancé star also revealed another news that made her feel even more emotional. Her first son has started nursery school, and it was his first day today. Loren reassured fans that all of her family members are doing great, but she still gets emotional at times. It is one of the hardest experiences she's ever gone through. The new mommy is taking a break and won't be on social media that often, but she will make sure to update the concerned fans. Before concluding the video, Loren said that the messages she's received from fans are helping her go through this difficult time. It is nice to hear that baby B is recovering well. Many 90 Day Fiancé were concerned for Loren when she posted a clip of her crying while sharing Babybutton's ICU status. On 90 Day Fiancé, self-quarantined, Alexei revealed that he wants to have more kids. After experiencing a challenging delivery with baby Shai, Loren was a little doubtful about becoming a mother for the second time so soon. She was struggling with postpartum hormones and still healing from the first delivery, which was a C-section. Thankfully, she eventually recovered. In March 2021, the 90 Day Fiancé couple revealed that they were expecting their second baby.